We took the GT4 out this morning. Just get out and drive it. Go get some coffee and stuff. And we picked up this nice little rock chip with a crack that runs to here. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. Nice. Anyway. Okay, but we've come out to finish the floor. This out of the way. This here. Okay. How about now? No. Okay, finally have this thing draining. Hopefully it gets lighter. It's already getting lighter, but drained pretty slowly. Oh, it seems slow.
Is the water coming out really hot?
This thing's getting significantly lighter, so it's got to be close. It's still draining like it's full. The flow of the water has not slowed down at all. But it's got to be getting close. I'm just going to see if I can squeeze this black tile under there. Peg. I'm impatient. One. I'm just hoping we're doing this early enough in the day so that we get hot water for a shower tonight. It is 2 o'clock. I'll shower like 8:30 or 9. That should be fine, I think. This thing feels so light, but it is still draining at a normal pace. Look at this. It's not slowing down. Might be light enough just to keep going though. See how much of this I can get by myself. That worked. Well, maybe I shouldn't do that. It's kind of bending the pan. Oh, here. Okay. Okay, she's busy inside. I'm gonna keep trying this on that. I don't think I'm gonna get very far. So we're going to put these two together. I think what I'll have to do is slide these under and slide this up onto here. Let's try this. Okay, I think it's safe to say it's empty. So I'm just gonna close this up. Now see if we can slide the tiles. Here, I will now try and pick it up like this.
I have like the tiniest little corner
Okay.
that
Do you want me to try and pick it up again?
maybe.
Okay, 1 second. My arms are like that sticky, tacky stuff that Strongman use.
Okay, put it down. Maybe. For the most part, there was like one. Okay, that should be pretty good. Okay, those are.
That seems okay. Okay, that's good. This is all parts to go on the GT4. Floor finished all the way to the back corner. This back in running, you can hear it filling up. No leaks, it's good. I just have to clean up my work area. Little pieces of plastic. Going to play tennis here in a second, but I don't want to come back to too big of a mess. So throw these pieces away. These other pieces that I took out, throw these away. Roll up this hose. As far as the crack in the windshield on the GT4, if anyone has experience with like the people who fill that or whatever, I don't know if a crack like that can be filled or whatever they do, or if I just need a new windshield. But if any of you have experience with both or one versus the other, please let me know. I didn't let it ruin my morning or anything like that, but I don't know, it kind of stinks. You know, it's ugly. It's annoying. It's right in my sight when I'm driving. See if I can get a better view of it here. Yeah, here, look at that. That's zoomed in a little bit, but it starts here, goes to here, so it's 8 inches. 8 inches long right now. It's, yeah, there you go. It's annoying. So, yeah, if you have any experience filling, repairing, or just replacing the whole glass, I feel like with all the sensors and everything else that they have going on up here, that it may just never be the same if I get it replaced. I don't know. Let me know. To finish everything off here in the garage, I am debadging my water heater. So there was like a sticker here for the brand. There's this big like plastic envelope for like the instructions or something. There's another big warning label here, right here I think, and then right here. So anything that needed to stay is on around the back side, but some of these things like just aren't necessary and are very ugly. So pulling them all off to clean it up. I'll clean up all this paper later, but just the big yellow and white stickers are just so ugly. So some of them came off pretty easy. Most of them came off pretty easy. This yellow one, it's just flaking. I don't know if you can see all that nastiness and just flaking off and falling apart, but I'm just using a plastic razor blade. Oh, and one of my first videos about this house, I talked about windows, impact windows. If you're not from Florida, it may not mean much to you. Because of all our hurricanes here, we either have to have hurricane shutters or impact windows, really. But they're so expensive, but they're here doing them. We did them anyway. Just really don't want to deal with hurricane shutters, especially on the second floor. And they also help with sound and insulation. So, yeah, it's just well worth it to never have to put hurricane shutters up, put them up on the second floor. And the sound, it really kills a lot of sound, which is nice. And then the insulation. So hopefully our electric bill should get better. They did in the last house when we did them. I know it will, but yeah, it'll just be, they're really nice to have. So they're here doing those today. Today's Thursday, they started on Tuesday. They've got one window and the sliding glass door left to do. So I really can't wait for that. Honestly, it's had me in a pretty bad mood the last few days. I hate my space being interrupted, and being out of like my normal routine, and just all the noise while I'm working has just been tough to deal with for me. Yeah, anyway, that's what I've been dealing with. So but they say they'll finish up today. That would be nice. There we go. Clean up all that paper. Get some goo going. Clean up all the residue. APC. Busted top. Let's see. I don't know if this APC will do the trick. Not really. I'm gonna have to get something to take the rest of that residue off. But some of this dust off of here. Still better than it was. Okay, that's the end of the garage video. I'll clean up this mess that's down here and on to the next project.